guidelines for us to provide to the brands and sellers is that we want them to, we encourage them to use biodegradable packaging. So it can be in a box. Siguro like, for example, like, if you order something that comes from our warehouse, it will likely be in a box. And inside there will be corrugated cardboard, for example. These are all like recycled from like scrap boxes that we collect, right? So as much as possible, as little plastic. Right? Now, we encourage our brands and sellers to do the same. We have like some brands who are doing it like really well. But I think like, why do we need packaging? It is to also protect the item. Because if there is breakage, that item also goes in the landfill. So in a way, it's striking a balance of what works, what allows the product to ensure that it's going to be usable and not returned. Because if it's returned, hindi rin siya mawala, right? Now, there are, I must admit that even I accept, I received the parcels with maybe like broken naman to. Yung packaging. So what we do, even internally, is that we let our governance team know that hey, we can like talk to the seller and try to tell them to reduce their packaging. And of course, like their concern as usually is, I need to ensure that the packaging or the package survives going to the buyer, and if the buyer doesn't receive it, it should go back to me intact, right? And so we tend to like overwrap package due to more than what's necessary. So I think that right now it's really packaging guidelines that are what we have to tell them what is the minimum requirements, because most enemy like will do that. In terms of like partnering, we have had a program before. I'm sorry, I forget like which partner that was to recycle. And I think like on in terms of sustainability, we are updating surveys, whether it's finding a partner for recycling, upcycling, or looking for better suppliers for our boxes, for our pouches.